Okay, sonic.exe is here and no. Okay. I can't record this on my PC because oh wait, I think I messed that up. I can't record this on my PC because when I was trying to screen share it, it wasn't working. Raining arrows. I mean circles. I didn't get it. I'm not getting full combo though. Sad. I know I shouldn't be saying this, but also mania is not that hard. I mean, it's only gonna get more harder when you download hard beat maps. I'm just gonna say that. Yay, okay, triple trouble. Let's go. Eight minutes. Man, it was worth the wait for this song. This song blown everyone's mind. This song was just the best sonic.exe song in the mod. Or maybe there's gonna be a new one, I don't know. This one's 8 minutes long. And I've never seen a serious mod, a serious long song mod. I mean, Little Man 2 was long, but that was full of memes. This one's serious. And 8 minutes is the record. I know there's a song and there's a beat map, which is a 3-hour marathon. I don't know which is the longest song. Okay. Knuckles part. Wait, let me just go like this. Raining notes. This video is probably 10 or 11 minutes. I gotta say, Osu's a bit fine, to be honest. I mean, Osu's just a normal rhythm game. But then, Friday Night Funkin' has lore. It's a rhythm game with lore. I think that's one thing comparing Osu to FNF. And it's been a year since week 7 came out, but not exactly a year. Eggman time. Oh, scroll speed got a little faster. I'm good with this scroll speed. Just seeing how fast it goes. Whoa. If it was a spammy song, I would say Raining Circles. This one's just drizzling. I got a 1,000 combo. Don't mind me, I'm just trying to beat a song here. I wonder Osumania pros when they miss on Bop People easy. Oh, rip my combo. I'm not mad if I miss when it's a new song. Sonic.exe Act 3 and Triple Trouble is such a banger. It's a literal banger. My boy, you mad, Sonic.exe? Mad EXO fans? You mad? You mad? Okay, what other song should I play? I'm not willing to play Black Sun or Faker because of the drama. I'm gonna do Endless and Cycles. I like full comboed this song first try. I'm pretty sure. I full comboed the revamped version first try because I already full comboed the old Endless. And this was basically a rechart of Endless 2, but I still did it. I'm pretty sure, I don't know. It could have been like before I recorded it. Fun is infinite. Madden says fun is infinite, but BF says fun is not infinite. And that's what caused the fight. You can thank me later, Game Theories. And I meant to say that. Okay. Okay, last part. Ouch. That's a thumbs up. And I got an A on that. Let's go. I got an A on that. Okay, now, let me just search up. Wait, cycles. Oh. Cycles. Cycles. Last song. Alright. Pretty much Lord X is my favorite character in this mod. And And I'm like happy he's getting a full week. But if it was in the official sonic.exe mod, it would make him more of my favorite mod. But it's just my most favorite right now. Blah, 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 blah. Nah. I mean, execution was a bop, but this slaps harder a bit. And now I'm searching on YouTube. Execution, but new Lord X sings it. I'm really beatboxing the instrumental right now. When I listened to the instrumental Recharted, it was a bop. And it's more harder than the song, than the actual song. It's funny. I guess instrumentals slap harder than, well, the normal song, huh? Lord X. I've never gotten an S in my life, bro.